Month on 38 counts of attempted murder and arson. Well, now his daughter is fighting for custody of a 14-year-old she says is caught in the middle. She spoke to us in a story you'll see only here on WUSA 9. Delia Gonzalez live to tell us more about this case. Delia, good evening.
Your mind doesn't let you go there. Like, no, there's no way your own father would do something like that.
Carrie Turner's father is former Laurel Police Chief David Crawford, seen here in surveillance video pouring gasoline on a home in March 2019. Police arrested the 69-year-old last month for setting 12 homes on fire. Arson, prosecutors argue, he used as revenge.
My dad and I have had a tumultuous relationship ever since, I would say, my teen years. If I wanted to do normal teen things, he would retaliate in some, usually an emotionally abusive way.
In 2007, Turner was trying to escape a violent marriage, so she willingly gave her father and stepmother shared custody of her then 5-month-old daughter. But she says her parents only victimized her again when she tried to regain custody.
Suddenly, all the crimes kicked off.
According to this lawsuit filed in Howard County Circuit Court, Turner claims she endured threats and attacks between 2008 and 2010. Gunshots in homes, gas cans in cars, anonymous letters left at work from the so-called York boys.
Instantly stopped as soon as I signed over the adoption.
An adoption, the suit alleges, was forced through Crawford's acts of, quote, terrorism and fraud.
He's in prison, so he obviously can't raise that child now. So this primarily at this point is about Mary Crawford. And we believe that Mary Crawford was enabling him, placing this child in a very, very bad situation.
My main concern is to get my daughter out of that toxic situation, to get her in a safe home.
Turner says police have now reopened her case as detectives try to link her father's arson charges to her years of threats and attacks surrounding the custody of her child.
Do you finally feel like you're being believed?
Yes. The day that those two detectives came in my office, it was like, finally.
And you can just hear it in her voice when she said finally, after 13 years of these alleged threats and attacks, she is now getting some kind of legal advice, heading to court, trying to fight for custody for her daughter. Her lawyer says that he's filing an emergency relief to try to get this before a judge ASAP to remove that girl that they believe is in a dangerous situation inside that home with Crawford's wife. Now, Crawford, that former police chief, he's 69 years old. He is held, as we said, behind bars without bond. He was forced to resign from the Laurel Police Department back in 2010. His attorney says these charges are out of character. Adam?
Not sure any of us would know how to deal with that nightmare of a situation just going on year after year after year. Great reporting tonight, Delia. Thank you. So there's a major step tonight on the road to recovery.